Hi, let us see one more article, Clipper circuit using Zener diodes. So the Zener diodes can be used in clipping operations. So how the Zener diodes can be used to clip certain portion of the waveform or to remove certain portion of the waveform. So before that, let us discuss about in short the Zener diodes so that you can understand why it is used in clipping operations. Now, as you know that the Zener diode. So how to represent the Zener diode? The symbol of Zener diode is like this. The symbol of Zener diode is like this. So what is the main application of Zener diode? The main application of Zener diode is it is used in voltage regulator circuits. Voltage regulator circuits. It is basically used as voltage regulator. And another example we are now seeing in clipping circuits. Clipping circuits. So before that, so let us assume that V gamma is the cut-in voltage of Zener diode. Vz, V suffix Z is the Zener breakdown voltage. So remember these two words. V gamma is the cut-in voltage of the Zener diode in forward bias. Vz is the Zener breakdown voltage in reverse bias. So this is generally in forward bias. So Zener breakdown voltage will be generally in reverse bias. So let us briefly discuss the characteristics of Zener diode. From ETC subject, you know what is the characteristics of Zener diode. You can see that this is the voltage versus current. This is the voltage applied to the Zener diode, and this is the current through the diode. So during this region, so when the input voltage is positive, the Zener diode acts like a ordinary diode. So therefore the characteristics will be like this. So let us assume that the cut-in voltage in the forward bias is say V gamma. So that means the Zener diode works like an ordinary diode when it is forward biased. So during the reverse bias, remember that it has very peculiar property. So during the reverse bias, so let us represent here Vz, Zener breakdown voltage. When the input voltage becomes greater than Zener breakdown voltage in reverse bias, so therefore the voltage across Zener diode becomes fixed at Vz. So this is called as Zener breakdown. So this portion is called as Zener breakdown region. So Zener breakdown region. That is when the reverse bias voltage across the Zener diode crosses Vz voltage. So then the voltage across Zener diode remains fixed at Vz. So due to this characteristics, it finds application in voltage regulators and clipping circuits. So let us write these two sentences here. So when forward biased, it acts like an ordinary diode. Next, number 2, when reverse biased, when reverse bias voltage is greater than, when the reverse bias voltage is greater than Zener breakdown voltage, so that is Vz, the diode enters into Zener breakdown region So remember carefully, when the reverse bias voltage is greater than Zener breakdown voltage, the diode enters into the Zener breakdown region. Therefore, the voltage across the diode remains fixed at Vz. Once it enters into Zener breakdown region, the voltage across Zener diode remains Vz, that is at fixed. So therefore, these characteristics are used in clipping circuits. Let us see two simple circuits. First, let us take one circuit. We will see two examples how it is used in clipper circuits. Let us take example 1, very simple circuit. So say this is the resistor. Take Zener diode like this. So this is the input voltage to the circuit. So this is the output voltage of the circuit. So we have to clearly mention. So when Zener diode is given, we have to clearly mention the Zener breakdown voltage Vz. So let us see the characteristics of it. So let us see the characteristics of it by applying sinusoidal input to this. By applying the sinusoidal input voltage, let us see how this circuit functions. Let us see very simple one. If you know the operation of Zener diode, you can easily sketch the output waveform. So this is V0 of T versus T. So this dotted line is your input to this circuit. So during this positive half cycle, that is during the positive half cycle. So what will happen? During the positive half cycle, this is forward biased. The Zener diode is forward biased. So therefore, represent somewhere V gamma, very negligible voltage, cut-in voltage. So when the input voltage is less than cut-in voltage, so the diode will not be on. So therefore it acts as open circuit. So therefore, once it acts as open circuit, V0 is equal to Vi. So very simple diode operation. During forward bias, so as long as when the input voltage is less than V gamma, it acts as open circuit, V0 is equal to Vi. So when the input voltage is greater than cut-in voltage, what is the diode operation? The output voltage is fixed at the cut-in voltage. Therefore, this is the diagram you have to mention. So this is the diagram you have to mention. So this is the cut-in voltage, very very small cut-in voltage, 0.6 or 0.7. Somewhere locate minus Vz, Zener breakdown voltage. Somewhere locate Zener breakdown voltage. This is minus Vz. So during the negative half cycle, so the diode is reverse biased. During the negative half cycle, the diode is reverse biased. So therefore, the output follows the input. So when the reverse bias voltage exceeds Vz, Zener breakdown, what happens when the reverse bias voltage, as expected, when the reverse bias voltage exceeds this Zener breakdown, this enters into the Zener breakdown. So therefore, the output voltage remains fixed at Vz. So that is what the characteristics says. So once the reverse bias voltage exceeds Vz, so therefore it enters into Zener breakdown region, the output voltage will remain at Vz. So therefore these are the characteristics we have to show. Again, once the input voltage is less than Zener breakdown, output voltage is equal to input voltage, like that. So this is the cut-in voltage just we have taken. So these are the characteristics you can observe in the laboratory when you connect the Zener diode circuit like this. So let us take the example 2, just reverse the diode. Let us see the characteristics. Circuit 2. You can easily draw the characteristics. Once you know the operation of Zener diode, how it works when forward biased and when reverse biased, you can easily draw the waveforms. This is always mention the Zener diode cut-in voltage, breakdown voltage Vz. So this is the input to the circuit. Vi of t is the input to the circuit. VA of t is the input to the circuit, V0 of t is the output of the circuit. So let us see what is the operation of the circuit again when sinusoidal input is applied. So what is the nature of output? Let us check it out. During forward bias, what happens? During the reverse bias, what happens? Let us see. So let us draw the input voltage like this. Let us draw the input voltage like this. So V0 of t versus t. So during the positive half cycle, let us see during the positive half cycle. So what is Zener diode? Zener diode is reverse biased. So therefore, as long as the voltage is less than Vz, so the output follows the input. When this voltage becomes greater than Vz, so therefore it enters into Zener breakdown region. So therefore, the output voltage across the Zener diode will remains fixed because it enters into Zener breakdown region. So therefore, output remains fixed at Vz. So again, once when the input voltage becomes less than Vz, output follows the input. You can see during the negative half cycle, the diode, Zener diode is forward biased. Just it acts like a general diode. So what is the general diode characteristics? When the cut-in voltage, say this is the cut-in voltage. So V0 is equal to VA. Once the input voltage is greater than cut-in voltage, the diode voltage remains at V gamma. So like this, you have to draw like this. You have to draw the characteristics like this. So in this way, the Zener diode functions as in clipping circuits. It can be used in clipping circuits. The Zener diode can be used in clipping circuits like this.